Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel, and in this I'll be showing you guys how to go about doing a creative Sunday flyer using Photoshop. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and also turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial video. So without any further delay, let's dive into the tutorial. Yeah, create a new document. Yeah, select the size. Okay. Oh, yeah. So the size is 8853 by 915. That's the size. Then we're going to resize it. Perfect. Yep. So I'm going to change the workspace to black. Then I'll bring in the first image. I want to create the background first. You resize it, then go to filter, then blur, the Gaussian blur. You set it to 12.5. After that, we bring in the second image. We resize it a bit, almost close to the end of then we'll add the layer marks. Select our brush tool. The brush tool, increase the size, then we'll blend it with the picture underneath behind, just like that. Yeah, and so after doing that, we'll change the layer mode to add light. Then we'll resize it again, make it full. Yeah, just like this. And then we'll bring in another image again. Resize it. Yeah, make it full. Then we'll change the layer mode to saturation. Yeah, saturation. And then we'll bring this Jesus image. Or before that, let's bring in this. Yeah, I'm going to shift it to the right hand side, just like this. Then we'll add layer marks. Then we'll set our brush to, then we blend the edges with the background behind it. Yeah, then we'll change the layer mode to lightning. Then we can now bring in this image. Yeah, resize it just like that. Then we're going to change layer mode to screen. Then we'll add the layer marks to it. Set our brush to, then treat the edges. Yeah, centralizing, putting it. Yeah, let's treat this side. Yeah, then after we'll bring in the main image, this shadow like this. Yeah, this main image, we'll centralize it. Then we'll change layer mode to screen. Try centralizing it. Yeah, just shift this image to the left, to the right very well. Yeah. Now still use our brush to clean some part away. Yeah, because it's affecting the face of the main image. Yeah. So centralize. So before that, we add layer marks, then we treat the edges around the image, just some little touch. Yeah. Then after, let me see. Yeah, we'll add some contrast to it. Yeah. Just trying to adjust the images very well. Yeah, if you are wondering which Photoshop version of Photoshop I'm using Adobe Photoshop 2019, and also the resource material used in this tutorial video. The link will be available in the description below. Yep, I think it's better. So I'm just going to write Happy Sunday, since it's a Sunday flyer. Sunday flyer. I'm just going to reduce the size. Yeah. Happy Sunday. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Happy Sunday. Oh. Happy Sunday. Sunday. Then we'll reduce it. Resize it. Then after resizing it, we're going to place it on top like that, trying to centralize it. Yeah. So that's it on how to create a Sunday flyer using Photoshop. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop another wonderful tutorial video. See you next time, and thank you.